Blister packaging machine is the core packaging equipment for pharmaceutical, food, medical, electronic, and other industries. It is specially designed to provide products with precise packaging of transparent blisters and base plates, creating moisture-proof, dust-proof, and easy-to-use high-quality packaging. Core advantages: efficient and accurate, high-speed and stable operation, full and uniform blister molding, perfect fit for products. Reliable sealing, intelligent temperature control and heat sealing ensure that the blister and base plate are tightly sealed, effectively protecting product quality and extending shelf life. Flexible and versatile, modular design suitable for a variety of blister molds and packaging materials, easy to switch. Intelligent and easy to control. Intuitive human-machine interface, easy to operate. High degree of automation, reducing labor costs and errors.